Hi everyone, I'm here in front of Cyberzone in SM Cubao, Araneta City to give you an updated walkthrough of what shops are now open under Alert Level 2 this February 26, 2022 at 6:22 p.m. So let's start our tour. I'm going to walk around with you one shop at a time, starting with PC Express to my right, which is a long time computer shop, not only here but in other locations as well. And then next to it is Memo Express for your mobile phone needs. They carry multi-brands of cell phones, followed by Asianic, which is also a long-time computer store. City Light for mobile phone accessories. And then there is Mega One, which also carries different mobile phone brands. And phone style accessories to its left. Followed by Data or Data Blitz, which also carries computer peripherals. And the newly opened Xiaomi authorized reseller. It's big. But the one inside Gateway Mall is still bigger. Although it's good to know that they've now opened the branch here. So I'm just walking counterclockwise. Games and Gadget, which is still very much alive. And then this is the exit going to General MacArthur Avenue. And to its left is Octagon Computer Store as well, which has been a long time brand, followed by Samsung. Shops on the side, and then we have Funtime Amusement Center. It's also a huge space if you want to while away the time with computer games. And here are the other shops, Mobilizer. Then you have Song Mobile. Then there's Gigahertz and Strom. Followed by Rules or Rolls. And then there's also Huawei, the unauthorized reseller. And then Vivo. Followed by Oppo and HP. And then so in the middle now are the different kiosks, also selling mobile phone accessories like Bavin, which is a known brand even online. So here they carry a lot of different mobile accessories. And then there's Infinix, but I think they also do phone repair, if I'm not mistaken. There. And right across it, there's Realme, which is a new mobile phone player in the local industry. And then there's Cloud Phone, right here in front of Rolls. And here is CKK Mobile. So they also carry mobile phone accessories. And then in front of them there's Phoenix Cellular, and then Imperium. So really, many of them are mobile phone accessory resellers. And then there's also My Phone, which is good to know that they're still around. This is one of the few local mobile phone makers in the country, which became well known a few years ago. And then there's mobile technology, Gadget Repair. So there is a big mix of kiosks and permanent stores or brick and mortar stores, but mainly and mostly carrying mobile phone accessories. And some are offering mobile phone repair. So this is Mobile Pro accessories. Mobile Sweep over here. Thank you. Mobile Shield. This is Mobile Shield. This is Ssp Laptop Repair, which has a brick and mortar equivalent in SM Mega Mall, but here they only have a kiosk. This is what it looks like from the center of the hall. Looking onto the brick and mortar side. In fact, this area over here used to be an activity center, but not right now during the pandemic, which is why you have this big open space in the middle. But hopefully all that will change again and the activities will be back when things continue to clear up further. Although not quite soon, I would think. Here's another cell phone repair kiosk. They're offering free checkup as well. So it's called Toolbox Gadget Repair Center. And then beside them is another somewhat generic mobile phone accessories kiosk. And here's a view of the brick and mortars on the other side. This is the Realme kiosk. And then Zencel. So City Light used to be opened and also known for mobile repair. I'd once visited their branch in Farmers Plaza when it was still around on the 3rd level. I think basically it. There's also at least one ATM facility here, care of BDO or Banco de Oro. So this is, by the way, the lower ground level. The supermarket outside at the opposite side, and the food court can also be found. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more walking tour videos like this, packed with helpful content and directions. Until the next one, thanks for watching, stay safe, and have a rosy day ahead. Bye!